Good morning. This is Shirley from Shirley's World Vlog, and it is Tuesday. I think it's the 12th of May, and I have 3 eBay items going out this morning. The first one is it's by Sunny Oceans. It's like just a shift dress, short A-line dress, very soft, made of rayon. It's size large, and the pattern looks like under the sea. It's hard to explain. Pictures will go on for these. I sold this yesterday, and it sold for $14.99. So that is the first thing that's going out, and it's going. I thought this would be going to someplace south or west where there's an ocean, but no, it's going to Newark, Ohio. Maybe this person is going on a cruise or something. Who knows? So that is the first thing going out. The second thing I sold was by Bowden. I've had this a long time. It's in has a postcard in it. I see that there's a note across my screen right now. I don't think you can see it. It's my nephew's birthday. This is by Bowden. It's a women's fitted knit shirt. It's very stretchy, and this is a size 4, and this sold for also $14.99. Yeah, so this is going out to Louisville, Kentucky. And the third thing I sold is by American Eagle. It's a stretchy little top. I may have gotten this at this looks familiar, that I may have gotten this at the Fantastic Bins. This sold on eBay. It's a tank top, very stretchy. It's like it's smocked, you know. And it's new with tags, and it sold for $10.88. It's an olive color. And it's going to Franklin, North Carolina. It originally sold for $22.95. It has the price tag on it. So those are the 3 things going out today. Yeah, let me stop this and get rid of this. All right, I hope that little sign wasn't across this whole thing, or I won't be able to put this on. Anyway, I'm going to point my camera over this way because I'd like to read a Bible verse today, and I can't even see. It is so bright coming in here. But I have my sign here. Please like and subscribe to my little channel I'm trying to get going. Yeah, and send me comments. So I'm going to move over here and see if I can be able to see better, because I'll be in the shade a little bit more. I wanted to read this because this is this is a messed up video, isn't it? This is the parable of the lost sheep. Yeah, this is Matthew 18, verses 11 through 13. For the Son of Man has come to save that which was lost. What do you think? If a man has 100 sheep, and one of them goes astray, does he not leave the 99 and go to the mountains to seek that one straying sheep? And if he should find it, assuredly, I say to you, he rejoices more over that one lost sheep than over the 99 that did not go astray. So, yeah, think hard on that. It has a deep meaning, of course. And I will be back. I have another video being edited right now, and that will go on also today. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.